Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Just Add Water pancakes. First, gather your pancake mix, water, and a mixing bowl. Check your mix's instructions for the precise water measurement, typically about 1 cup for every 1 1/2 cups of mix. Gently whisk the ingredients together until they are just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so stop as soon as the batter is smooth enough. Next, prepare your cooking surface. Preheat your griddle or frying pan to a medium heat, usually around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You can test the heat by flicking a few drops of water onto the surface. They should sizzle and evaporate quickly. Lightly grease the griddle with butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Then, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, creating uniform, round shapes. Now, let's cook those pancakes to perfection. Watch for bubbles to appear on the surface of the batter. When the edges start to look set and the bubbles begin to pop, it's time to flip. Use a spatula to carefully turn each pancake over. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the second side, or until it's beautifully golden brown. Repeat this process with the remaining batter, stacking your delicious creations. Finally, it's time to enjoy your freshly made pancakes. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. You can also get creative with chocolate chips, nuts, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. These easy, Just Add Water pancakes are perfect for a quick breakfast or a leisurely brunch. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your cleaning game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.